Akin dyan, 3 days akong nawala. 12:30. Thank you, Auli. Wow, love mo ko, no? Siguro love mo ko. Hi, Rayshan. Hi, Luke. Thank you, Marius. Mini-miss yung putik. Daw? Hindi ko sadya. Sabi ko pork chop. If I had one wish, promise to love you, trust you. Thank you, super hello. Kakain muna ako ng, alam niyo to? Singaling ba ito tawag dito? Kaya mo kumanta to. Oo naman. Thank you, Francesca. Are you feeling well na? Thank you, Luke. Wow, Rainflow. Thank you so much. Grabe naman mang welcome si Rainflow. Oy, grabe ka naman, Rainflow. Thank you, Marius. Uy, Rainflow. Grabe mo naman ako i-spoil. Ha? Alam niyo to? Thank you, Rainflow. Wait lang, pahinga lang ako, kanta tayo. After 10 minutes. Ang labang ko. Uy, thank you, Rainflow. Ganyan ko ko. Suggest ka kulay ng bag. Brown. Thank you. Hello, Rainflow. Nahiya na tuloy akong kumain kasi nag-gift ka tapos kumakain lang ako. Hindi kita kinakantahan. Thank you, Marius. Rainflow, anong gusto mong kanta? Thank you, la. Thank you. Ang yabang kong kumain ng ganito katigas sa pagkain, no? Pero natanggalin ako ng isang bracket. Thank you so much, Rainflow. Ma? Nanay ko yun, guys. Thank you, Rainflow. Kain muna ako, guys, ha? Kasi dala ng tatay ko to, eh. Tapos isang plastic, napakadami. Kumuha akong dalawa. Siyempre, hindi ako pahig na may ako kakainin. Hindi ko kakainin. Habang nagpapatugtog. Kumain na ba kayo? Siyempre, binaba ko yung upuan ko, guys. Baka nagtatawa kayo masyado akong mataas. Taas ko ba yung upuan ko? Or okay na yan? Or naharangan ako ng comments? Magulat ako kung hindi. Hi, hotdog na may cheese. Putulin hotdog. Bakit, Jerla? Akala ko naman may sabihin kang chismis. Talaga ba? Happy birthday, hotdog! Oo nga, ang clingy mo naman. Masama yan eh. Yan yung mga bagay na hindi ko tinatolerate eh. Ano ba? Ilalagay mo na naman sa ilalim yan. Hi, JP! Baka may mga request kayo, sabihin nyo na. Para mamaya, matandaan ko. Ano? Kakanta ka? Oo, kumakain lang ako. Nauna lang yung break time. Pero kakanta talaga ako. Mag-isip ako, Ayoko na. Ano yun? Ano yung DA? Hindi ko naman eh. Hoy, Arlie! Sige. Carpenters. Hi, Newzep! Yan ka na lang ulit na daan. Alam mo yung vampire. Inaaral ko pa lang yung vampire ni Olivia eh. Last week ko siya inaaral. Napakinggan ko. Sabihin mo muna, please, master. Lang, inom ako water. Start na tayo. Hi, Newzep. Please lang. May lang pa. Get out there. Sige, kanta na tayo. Para, kasi mamaya hindi na pwede. Hanggang 10 lang tayo pwedeng kumanta, di ba? Alam niyo naman yan. Kaya nga pala, pinag-iisipan ko mag-3 hours ako ngayon. Kasi ilang araw ako hindi nag-live, diba? So, baka 3 oras tayo. Baka. Kamusta Baguio? Nag-uulan? Ko? Lala nga eh. Ano tayo Carpenters. Inihintay ko. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-picture doon kasi more on mga nakikipag-usap kami sa mga musician doon. Tapos na-meet ko si Morissette. Cute-cute niya. Yung tawa niya may sipol pa rin. Wait lang, ano kayo? Wala akong mapopost, yun na yun, yung story ko. Yun na yun, yun lang picture ko. Alam niyo tong kanta na to? Kasi sawang-sawa na kayo sa you eh. Walang post, oo. Next time na pagbalik ko dun. Check. Ay, lakas. Alam niyo to? I must face a world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who will always care. You're always there. When there's no getting over that rainbow
rainbow. And my smallest of dreams won't come true. I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last today without you. So many times when the city seems to be without a friendly face, a lonely place. It's nice to know that you'll be there if I need you, and you'll always smile. It's so worthwhile when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last today without you. Touch me and that end up singing. Troubles seem to open, disappear. You touch me with the love you're bringing. I can't really lose when you need my love. I've forgotten half the promises. They're not a kind, just hard to find. One look at you, and I know that I could learn something without the rest. I found the best when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. When there's no getting over that rainbow, when my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. Won't last a day without you.
Ang seryoso ng kanta, tapos matawa. Sino ba tumatawa? Sino tumatawa? Yan, sa nag-request yan ng, ano yun? Carpenters. Sino pa andyan, guys? Taas pa. Hanap tayo ulit. Vampire. Kasi ang ano ito, ang komplikado ng kanta. Inaaral ko pa lang to, so bakit ka paliwanag? Wait lang. Tingnan nga natin. Thank you, hotdog, digididog. Ay, gags. Sorry. Ano, ba't mabilis to, diba? Wait lang. Kawain ko pa.
Hate to give the satisfaction, asking how you doing now. How's the class of people you pretend to care about? It's what you want. Look at you, got it. I see the parties and the diamonds. Sometimes when I close my eyes, 6 months of torture you saw. Some forbidden paradise, I loved you truly. Got love with this stupidity. 'Cause I've made some real big mistakes.
ba? Wait lang sa ano to, sa instrumental. Tignan mo, oh. Ah, may build-up kineme. Wag to. Wag na to. Yung ito na lang, yung piano version. Ito, para mas makabagbag danda. Titripan mo ako, Olivia. Naging party. Naging budots. Budots.
I hate to keep the satisfaction asking how you doing now. How's it lots of good people you pretend to care about? Is what you wanted. Look at you, who got it. See the parties and the time. Sometimes when I close my eyes, it's not to torture.
Ano Eminem?
I love to truly. Gotta love with this stupidity. I've made some big mistakes, but you made the worst one look fine. I should have known it was strange. You only come out at night. I used to think I was smart, but you made me look so naive. The way you sold me for parts, you sunk your teeth into me. Letting me try like a goddamn vampire.
Ay, wala mabilis. Piano pala siya.
Doctor told me you're a bad man, and you called him crazy. God, I hate the way I called him crazy too. You're so convincing. How do you lie without flinching? What a mesmerizing, paralyzing mess. A little thrill, can't figure out just how you do it. And God knows I never will. This girl's your age, no better. I've made so many mistakes, but you made the worst one look fine. I should have known it was strange. You only come out at night. I used to think I was smart, but you made me look so naive. The way you sold me for parts, you sunk your teeth into me. Letting me try like a goddamn vampire.
Ang komplikado niya talaga.
It was true love, but wouldn't let me hurt. You can't love anyone, cause tell me in your head or heart. I try to help you out, now I know that I can't. Cause I don't think I kind of thing I never understand. I've made some big mistakes, but you make the worst one look fine. I should have known it was strange. You only come out at night. I used to think I was smart, but you made me look so naive. The way you sold me for parts, you sunk your teeth into me. Letting me try like a goddamn vampire.
Ha? Ang hirap-hirap na ito. Ano to? Sino pang nandyan, guys? Diyan pa ba kayo? So when you sold me for parts. Hi, Lovelyn. Hello. Letting me try. Hirap-hirap nga eh. Inaaral ko pa lang to eh. Eminem. Parang 1 week ago. Inaaral ko siya. Sige, mag-request kayo. Ay, ba't dito ako nag-search? Okay, mag-wait tayo. Sino pa nandyan? Sorry. Sino pa nandyan, guys? Hi, hala ate, andyan ka pala? Simula pa nung una, hindi na maintindihan nararamdaman. Hindi ba yan? Naging magkaibigan, ngunit tanggap ko yun noon. Kampante na ganun na lang. Ay, hindi ko pala to alam. Yung part lang na yun. Simula pa nung una, hindi na maintindihan nararamdaman. Naging magkaibigan, ngunit hi, smile. Sino si Smile? Ha? Ano? Ngunit di ka kayo noon. Kahit hanggang doon na lang. Hanggang doon lang yung alam ko. Kahit, si Smile! May tao pala. Kala ko sabi niyo, mag-smile ako. Hi, Smile! Hi, Smile with my little eye. Si Ricky May, oh. Boss ng bayan, oh. Wait lang. Tignan niyo ako hanggang saan na alam ko dito.
Simula pa nung una, maintindihan nararamdaman. Naging magkaibigan, ngunit di umabot ng magkaibigan. Tanggap ko yun noon. Kampante na ganun na lang. Sapat na nakasama kita, kahit hanggang doon na lang.
Ang kulit, hindi ko na.
Para hindi na rin mahulog pa sa iyong mga mata. Pamahal ako sa'yo, oo. Di naman inaasahan, di naman sinasadya. Pero alam ko rin naman, bakit mo na lang lilutin ang damdamin. Isisigaw na lang sa hangin, mahal kita. Mahal kita.
Ay, ba't iba? Hindi ko alam talaga. Mahal niya Oo naman!
Paano ba naman isang ngiti, isang tingin, boses mo na rin sa
Sorry, ate, hindi ko talaga alam doon.
delikado na, delikado na. Di pa rin hindi lumapit, tinglos ang tumingin. Kayatang ako'y nahulog na sa iyong mga mata. Siguro nga, napamahal na ako sa'yo, oo. Di naman inaasahan, di naman sinasadya. Pero alam ko rin naman, hanggang dito na lang. Lilimutin ang damdamin, isisigaw na lang sa hangin, mahal kita. Mahal kita.
Tanggap ko nga ba to? Sapat na nga ba? Nag-spoken poetry na lang.
Sapat na nga ba to?
At sabay sabing,
siguro nga napamahal na ako sa'yo. Oo.
Hindi, iba na to. Ano ba to? Ang gulo nung ano mo, Any Bruno Major song. Di ba ang komplikado niya. Hi, Nami. Ang komplikado niya, parang, saan to mapunta? Kisame. Hindi ko yun alam eh. Ay! Nagtatype pa. Bruno Majors. Ano mga kanta ni Bruno Majors? Easy ba yun? Nothing. Easily pala. Hi, Zoro Marie! Hindi Hindi rin ako sure dito. Huwag na. Iba naman. Iba. Can I beat him? Haya. Hindi ko alam yung Fallen. Thank you sa mag-share, Ate Wia. Ano pa?
Thanks for watching.
Ay, na-miss ko naman si Belle sa kanta na to. So, favorite ni Isabel to eh. Isabel, Aubrey Isabel. Kinakanta yun talaga, di ba? Hindi ko na ito kakantahin.
I've been with you for 3 years, is quite a while. Getting too sensual was really not my style. You know I loved you and like it just like this. Sometimes I feel like giving more than just a kiss, but baby it's wrong. Baby it's not my kind of game. If I give it to you now, our love will never be the same. It won't be long. We gotta play our love this right. Know the time will come. But baby, for tonight, let's take it so slow. Anywhere you wanna go, baby, for you I lay it all on the line. You ought to know, I know, and I know where to go. I'll give it to you, I'll be to you. We gotta take it real slow.
Okay. Hi, user 1643571. Anong lagi, ate? Sino kumanta na lagi? Lagi as in Skasta? Sige.
But baby, it's wrong. Baby, it's not my kind of game. If I give it to you now, our love will always be the same. Hindi ko matimplahan ng maayos yun. Ha, ha, to. Ha. Eh, no, ha, ganun, ha, 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 low, two, two. Baby, you know, I know, that you got no place to go. Yeah.
Wala, 2021 pa huling kanta ko nito.
Two. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. Ha. Kakatungkuhan mo, magandang umaga. Di kompletong araw pa, di kita kasama. Okay lang, nandito lang ako na laging nakaabang. Kahit na magdama, eh ano naman kulang oras ang sayang. Di naman ako umihinang ako magpapat makasama. Ayos lang kahit mabihim, baka kakatingin. Di ka nakakasawang tingnan, pag Pagmasdan ang iyong mga mata. Susundan, susundan, saan napunta? Basta't ngumiti ka lang palagi, lagi, lagi, oh lagi. Ngumiti ka lang palagi, lagi, lagi, palagi. Ngumiti ka lang palagi, lagi, lagi, oh lagi. Ngumiti ka lang palagi, yeah, yeah, yeah. Alam mo pa man dumating ka, bumalik yung nawala akong sika. Ikaw ang naging ng tamis, inalis ang takit sa masama kong timpla. Sa buong buhay ko, ngayon ko lang naranasan ang saya ng mundo. Kasi dahil sa'yo, okay lang naman kung ilang oras ang nasayang. Di naman ako manghihindayang at magkasama ka lang. Ayos lang kahit gabihin bago ka katingin. Kahit ka nakakasamang tingnan, pagmasdan ang iyong mga mata. Susundan, susundan, saan napunta? Basta't ngumiti ka lang palagi, lagi, lagi, oh lagi. Ngumiti ka lang palagi, lagi, lagi, palagi. Ngumiti ka lang sa akin, lagi, lagi, palagi. Ngumiti ka lang palagi, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ngumiti ka lang palagi, ngumiti ka lang.
Alam mo yung kanta na ano? Kakantahin mo siya. Pero, kailangan mo siyang i-play sa utak mo para maalala mo. Kasi hindi ko na siya naririnig. Ang tagal na. Uy, nananaginip ang baby ko. Teka, wait. Uy, okay lang. Oo. Umiiyak siya. Yan, para yan kay Ate Wiyawis. Hala, yung mga kanta na yun, namimiss ko din siyang mapakinggan. Parang buong 2021 kasi yun ang dinig ko sa kanya. Thank you, Ate Wia. Thank you din, Maya. Ako napag-thank you. Nag-thank you ba ako? Thank you, Ate and Maya. Bumalik ang nawala akong team. Bumalik ang... Alam mo ba nung dumating? Alam mo ba? Dumating ka. Bumalik yung nawala akong sigla. Ikaw ang naglagay ng tamis. Pinalisang pait sa masama akong timpla. Ang ganda ng lyrics na yun. Sa buong buhay ko, naranasan ng saya ng mundo. Kasi dahil sa'yo. Ano pang gusto nyo? True na miss ko lang, diba? Sino ba na miss mo, te? Yung kanta ba? O si Skasta, charot. Si Skasta pala yung na-miss. Sebiana. Yung kumanta yung pala. What was I made for? Ano bang gusto nyo? Nasaan na yung mga magugulo? Wala. Wala sila. Lakas talaga ng echo. Kahit 4 na lang. Ayoko nang kantahin to eh. Yung Glimpse of Us. Walang katapos ang Glimpse of Us. Anong gusto nyo? Di ka ba napapagod? Di kaya... Eto.
Time to spice up your life.
Kaya pa ako nagugulat.
Get charged up to do more. Go start a clock.
Alam niyo to? Hindi pala ako nagsuklay.
I found a guy who told me I was a star. He held the door for my hand in the dark. And he's perfect on paper, but he's lying to my face. Does he think that I'm the kind of girl who needs to be saved? And this one more boy is from my past. We fell in love, but it didn't last. Guess the second I figure it out, he pushes me away. And I won't fight for love if you won't meet me halfway. And I say that's the rule, but this song's still for you. All I want is love that lasts. It's all I want, too much to ask. Is it something wrong with me?
Wala pala.
All I want is a good guy, and my expectations far too high. Try my best, but what can I say? All I have is myself at the end of the day. Should let me know for me. And I miss the days when I was young and naive. I thought the perfect girl would come and find me. Now happy ever after, it don't come so easily. All I want is love that lasts. It's all I want, too much to ask. Is it something wrong with me? Oh, all I want is a good guy, and my expectations far too high. Try my best, but what can I say? All I have is myself at the end of the day. And all I want is for that to be okay.
Ay, kala ko yun. 10K likes. Ano ba yan? 2533. Ganun. Hi, Cool Cloud. Ito, favorite ko to. Sige, kantayin natin. Ano yun? Ano yun? Malakas ba yung music masyado?
No one ever saw me like you do. All the things that I could add up to. I never knew just what a smile was worth. But your eyes say everything without a single word. 'Cause there's something in the way you look at me. It's as if my heart knows you're the missing piece. You make me believe that there's nothing in this world I can't be. I never know what you see, but there's something in the way you look at me. You If I could freeze a moment in my mind, it'd be the second that you touch your lips to mine. I'd like to stop the clock, make time stand still. 'Cause baby, this is just the way I always wanna feel. 'Cause there's something in the way you look at me. It's as if my heart knows you're the missing piece. You make me believe that there's nothing in this world I can't be. I never know what you see, but there's something in the way you look at me. I don't know how or why I feel different in your eyes. All I know is it happens every time. 'Cause there's something in the way you look at me. It's as if my heart knows you're the missing piece. You make me believe that there's nothing in this world I can't be. I never know what you see, but there's something in the way you look at me. The way you look at me.
Hi, Cookie Swirl. Hi. Sino pa nandyan? Sino pa nandyan, guys? Thank you, Ate
Pollution
Wia.
and harsh sunlight.
Okay po. Hindi mo kasama. Thank you, Ate Wia. Lo. Ano bang gusto nyo? Hindi, wala na akong maisip. Tulungan nyo ako. Si Harley. Sino ba nandyan kanina? Si Sean, dumaan. Ewan ko nandyan pa. Gusto niya makilala. Bili na lang kitang payong. Eto. Alam mo to, Ate Ria. Haba ng intro. So, nadigay ako.
Time, I've been passing time, watching trains go by. All of my life, lying on the sand, watching seabirds fly. Wishing there would be someone waiting home for me. Something's telling me it might be you. It's telling me it might be you. All of my life, looking back as lovers go walking past. All of my life, wondering how they met and what makes it last. If I Something's telling me it might be you. It's telling me it might be you. So many quiet words to take, so many dreams to make, and with so much love to make. I think goodbye and need some time. Maybe all we need is time. And it's telling me it might be you all of my life. It's you. It's you. I've been saving love songs and lullabies, and there's so much more. No one's ever heard before. Something's telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it must be you. And I'm feeling it'll just be you all of my life. Maybe it's you, maybe it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. Maybe it's you, maybe it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. It's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. Maybe it's you.
Hindi ko alam yung patawad paalam. Next kasi yun. Ano muna yung next? Ano yung patawad paalam? Ano yung patawad paalam? Patawad. Pakinggan ko muna. Nalimot ko eh. Ay, ba't patawad lang? Ay, duet to. Ako lang mag-isa, paano to?
Fashion inspiration is everywhere. It's in your favorite music.
Ay, hindi ko to alam. Hi, Dishin! Mag-Moira na lang tayo, pero hindi ko to alam kasi. Wala din ako nakakanta ng Moira. Anong Moira? Ito. Alam niyo tong Pagitan? Itong Pagitan, alam niyo. Ito ang yabang ko, nakalimutan ko na to. Di ko alam.
Hindi ko alam.
Oo, di ko alam.
Saan sisimulan? Kapag kapilitawan, makakalimutan. Sana naman mapagbigyan ng kahit konting oras para mapapaalam. Sana maintindihan. Di at saan magsisimula.
Hi, next. 0821.
Naman,
Dal-dal.
sana mapakinggan ang aking panalangin na ikaw ay mahal ng kahit saglit ng ilang sandali. O saan kukuha ng lakas kung ikaw ang dahilan? Di ko maintindihan. Di ko pa yata kaya, hindi ka na makita. Pagising sa umaga, ikaw lang naman ang hanap, ikaw lang ang pinangarap ko. Paano nga ngayon? Paano pagdating wala ka na? Paano at saan magsisimula? Di pa yata kaya, hindi ka na makita. Pabangon sa umaga, hindi ko pa man makuha. Mahahanap rin ang kalma, tulad ng nandito ka pa. Hindi napipigilan ang luha sa bawat oras na maisip ka. Hindi mawawala ng pag-asa sa pagitan ng bukas at magsimula.
Ano po? Oh, ay, 4K na eh. Thank you. Thank you, Rishin. Wow. Ha? Anong ba't ganito ang pag-ibig? Ano yun? Kaya kanta yun? 3 hours. Hindi, pinag-iisipan ko pa nga. Eto. Ay, Ate Ria. Gusto mo din to. Ito, nakita ko lang sa gilid. Pero ang pangit kasi nung version. Kaya. Tapos nag-explain. Bola ako, magbalik mo. Wala na ako dito. Pinag-iisipan ko pati. Ate Ria. Alam ko ikaw nag-request sa akin ito eh. Ay, hindi ata. Iba pala yun. Isa pala yun. Isa pala yun. Dinig yung dinig ko. Malapit na mag-10. Ang bilis. Mag-1 hour na pala ako. Thank you, Nix! Wow! Thank you!
Sino ba magbabago? Di matitigan ang iyong mga mata. Tila di na nananabik sa iyong kapag-ibig. Sana'y malaman mo, hindi sinasadya. Kung nais ko ay maging malaya, di lang ikaw nahihirapan. Damdamin ko rin ay naguguluhan. Di lang ikaw, di lang ikaw ang nababahala mong mag-isip. Huwag kang pagkawalan, ngunit puso ko ay kailangan kang iwan. Sino ba ang nararamdaman? Di na tayo magkaintindihan. Tila hindi na maibabalik. Tamis ng yakap at halik. Maaring
Wala na ako sa tono.
lumalamig ang pagsinta. Sana'y malaman mong di ko sinasadya. Di lang ikaw, di lang ikaw ang nahihirapan. Damdamin ko rin ay naguguluhan. Di lang ikaw, di lang ikaw ang napabahala. Ulong ng isip, huwag kang pagkawalan, ngunit puso ko ay kailangan kang iwan. Di hahayaang habang buhay kang saktan. Isasayangin ang iyong panahon. Ikaw ay magiging masaya sa yakap at sa piling ng iba. Di lang ikaw ang nahihirapan. Damdamin ko rin ay naguguluhan. Di lang ikaw, di lang ikaw ang napabahala. Ulong ng isip, huwag kang pagkawalan, ngunit puso ko ay kailangan kang iwan.
Ano yun? Grabe dinaramdam yung kanta. Grabe parang may Jerla? Ngayon ka pa nagganyan, no? Ang dali kong makita kakatapos lang ng kanta. Ginaganyan mo. Mag-end pala ako, guys, mga 9:30. 3 minutes na lang. Ano bang gusto nyo? Ano ba gusto nyo ba? Masaya kayo o ano? Sakitan tayo dito. Masakit pa. Ano? Gusto ko yung masakit na masakit na masakit. Killing Me Softly. Masakit ba yun? Ala, hindi ko po alam. Bakit naman nabanggit? Dapat ayan ang ina-asterisk. Hindi ko po alam eh. Si Ate Rhea kasi. Ikaw lang natawa. Ayoko na sa piling mo. Hindi na babalik. Hindi na babalik. Kaya ko ba? Ay, kahit kunwari pa lang. Ala! Kakainis kayo ah.
The Filipina.
Apple. Troller. Ano ba naman yan, guys? Guys, ayos tayo ng ano. Guys, ayusin nyo naman. Ito, malungkot na to ah. Alam mo malungkot siya kasi kinakausap niya yung moon. Makakausap sa moon. Talking to the moons. Saan ka punta to the moon?
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you back.
Uy, ano yun?
I want you back. My neighbors think I'm crazy, but they don't understand. You're all I had. You're all I had.
Hindi malaman.
At night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you. In hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too, or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon? Oh,
Ano?
I'm feeling like I'm famous, the talk of the town. They say I've gone mad, yeah, I've gone mad.
Parang ganun.
But they don't know what I know. Cause when the sun goes down, someone's talking back. Yeah, they're talking back. Oh, at night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you. In hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too, or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon? Do you ever hear me calling? Cause every night I'm talking to the moon, still trying to get to you. In hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too, or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon? Oh, I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away.
San ka? San ka? Hi, Adrian. Pwedeng mag-lip tint ako, guys. Ay, mag-lipstick ako. Sagwit lang. When I was young, I listened to the radio. Ay, alam niyo ba, bumili ako na to. Hindi ako nagpo-promote, guys, ha. Ito. Kita ka sa ano? Sa Topix. Ang sarap niya, kaso, nilagay ko sa ref. Tapos yung chocolate niya nasa gilid na lahat. Hindi, mini crunch. Ano siya, parang Coco Crunch lang siya na may ano. na may chocolate. Tapos yung chocolate niya, lasang yung loob ng stick, oh. Kala ko nga nilalagay sa rep, eh. Tapos, nung nilagay ng nanay ko sa rep, nakalagay pa sa sa JNT. Hindi niya tinanggal. Ito.
Maraming bumili dahil sa Joy.
Ano naman, kung bumilib sila sa Joy. Puro Bruno Mars tayo, eh. Bilis! Hindi ko kinakanta yun, eh. Hi, it's not me. It's you. Parang baba. If you ever leave. Baba naman. Wait na. Hindi ito yung original. Grabe naman pagka-lower na ito. Huling, binaba ng binaba, eh. Hinataw yung baba, eh. Bruno Mars. Yung, ayan. Sige, magpakalungkot tayo. Guys, pa 20k nyo naman ako. 18.8, oh. Ayoko na may butal, eh. Lungkot, no?
If you ever leave me, baby,
Ayoko na, Char.
leave some muffin at my door.
Hi, Sir Ravi!
'Cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. They don't have it anymore. There's no religion that can save me. No matter how long my knees are on the floor. Ooh, so keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making. Give you by my side, will keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it will rain, 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 rain.
Aw.
I'll never be your mother's favorite.
Uy, sakit.
Your daddy can't even look me in the eye. Oh, if I was in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing. Saying, there goes my little girl, walking with the soft,
Sobol charm. Diba?
walking. I know, but they're just afraid of something they can't understand. Oh, the little dog gonna watch me change your mind. Yeah, for you I'll try, I'll try, I'll try, I'll try. I'll pick up this broken pieces till I'm bleeding. It's gotta make you mine. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my Nothing up the sky. If I lose you, baby, just like the clouds, you walk away. Every day will rain, 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 rain.
Ayoko. Biglang gumaga. Thank you sa nag-gift kanina. Kumakanta ako. Ayan ba? Anong kanta niya? Thank you, it's not. Sino yung It's Not Me? Ba't parang picture ni ano? Sabi ko na, si Robby yun eh. Sinuntok yung manlalok. Thank you, Kuya Wobby. Thank you, Rishin. Thank you so much. Ang dami ng senaryo. Ano yun? Ganon. Tinatawad yung gaslighter. Ay, tawag dyan, sakit. Inom lang ako water ha. Don't you say. Yung kantayin when we were young. Yung lipstick. I pick up this broken pieces till I'm bleeding. That'll make you right. Ano ba isang kanta ni Bruno Mars? Alay me down. Tagal na nito. Ano nga yun? Ito hierarchy. Wala, hindi ko na to huling kanta ko ata neto siguro 2020 pa. Dami niyang kanta. Sino ba? Hindi, yung ibig sabihin yung mga yung super naging mainstream na song. Parang mga It Will Rain. Ganun.
Yes, I do. I believe the one that you will be. But I was right there, right next to you. And it's hard, the day just seems so dark. The moon, the stars are nothing without you. Your touch, your skin. Where do I begin? The words can't explain the way I'm missing you tonight. This emptiness just holding inside. These tears can't tell their own story. Told me not to cry when you were gone. But the feeling's overwhelming. It's much too strong. Can I lay by your side next to you and make sure you're alright? I'll take care of you. I don't wanna be here if I can't be with you tonight.
Wala pala.
I'm reaching out to you. Can you hear my call?
Lipstick.
This hurt that I've been through. I'm missing you like crazy. You told me not to cry when you were gone.
Anong totoo na?
but the feeling's overwhelming. It's much too strong. Can I lay by your side next to you, and make sure you're alright? I'll take care of you. I don't wanna be here if I can't be with you tonight.
Ano to? Paano tong bridge?
Maybe down tonight. Maybe by your side. Maybe down tonight. Lay me by your side,
Taas.
and I lay by your side, next to you.
Tapos na yun? Ay, kala ko meron pa siyang half beat. Char. Hi, Auli. Hi, Nate, 24. Guys, gawin nyo naman akong 20k or 25k or 30k, charot. Thank you, Sir Robby. O, hindi ko kinakanta. Hindi ako makulot. Hindi ako makulot. At saka ang lalim-lalim nun. $25k na. Sige, ayun pala sa si Raul. Ay, sorry. Hindi po siya si Raul. Mabait po siyang tao. Darling, I can't explain where do we lose and it's driving me insane. Sige, gawin natin pang lalaki. Kasi walang female key. Alin dito ang gagawin? Ito. Sige, gawin natin. You don't sing makulot. Hindi ako ganun ka-confident. Pero pag sinasapian ako ng mga kulot-kulot, pwede naman. Baby ko si kulot. Gawin lang naman pang binatang boses ko. Lalim. Tung.
I can't explain
Lalim.
It's driving me insane, and I know I just need one more chance to prove my love to you. If you come back to me, I'll guarantee that I'll never let you go. Can we go back to the days of love was strong? Can you tell me how a perfect love goes wrong? Can somebody tell me how to get things back the way they used to be? Oh God, give me a reason. I'm down on bended knee.
Visit the Wendy's. Hindi si Patrick.
SpongeBob.
Nala ako ng egg. Ano to?
So many nights I dream of you. Oh, holding my pillow tight. I know that I don't need to be alone. When I open up my eyes to face reality, every moment without you, it seems like eternity. I'm begging you, come back to me. Oh, 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 baby. Can you tell me how a perfect love goes wrong? Can somebody tell me how to get things back the way they used to be? Oh, God, give me some. I'm done with it.
Hi! Ayoko na, ang hirap na ito eh. Alam mo, never ako nagkukulot kapag kasama ko yung mga friend ko sa idol. Ayan, si Kimo. Tapos yung isa naming friend, yung kaibigan niya na parang idol na rin kasi lagi namin kasama. Si Gab. Grabe, magkukulot yun. Kaya ayaw. Kaya hindi ko na ginagawa itong mga ganitong bagay. Sinasabi ko na lang, ba, hindi ka para dyan. May iba pang nakalaan para sa'yo. Hi po! Ano pang gusto nyo? Yung ano naman, ito si Jerla, magre-request tapos wala naman siya. Siya po, hala. Siya nawa. Ay, hindi ibig sabihin. Siya nga. Siya nawa. Magta-10 na pala, guys. Siya na. Magta-10 na. Hindi na ako magkakakanta. Patugtog na lang tayo. Kwentuhan na lang tayo. Wala yung mga madadrama eh. Wala talaga. GSM Blue Mojito. Ay, yung mga gusto kong ads. Ano yun? Ayoko. Ang weird kanina, kumakanta ako, walang nag-gift. Tinignan ko sa comment. Pero may block dito. May nakita ako. Okay lang.
Baby, baby, there will always be space for you and me, right where you left it. And just maybe enough time will pass.
Ano ba?
We'll look back and laugh. Just don't forget it. And maybe I'm wrong.
Oo nga, no? Hindi ko anino. Paano kung magkakaanino? Kahit gumalaw ako.
Losing my head
Wala.
over you.
Pag tumayo ako, doon ako magkakaroon ng anino.
And at the end,
We both know how it. May pala.
don't want things to change. Pray they stay the same always.
Gusto ng kanta na to.
And I
Wala din.
if you're with
Okay lang. Guys, ipa 25k nyo na yan. Huwag na kayong mahiya. Thank you, Sir Ravi. Oh, 20k na. 5k na lang. Uy, kung ganyan. Wala parang, pakatono lang. And you're already the word to me. Naisip ko lang.
You're so awkward down the whole street. Oh, what a time.
And tayo dito ng 10:30, tas live tayo sa kabila. Kahit saglit lang. Hindi kayo mura. So, ang nandito si Robby, tsaka si Jerla. Okay. Eh, dalawa lang dito. Talaga ba? Cute ah. And I'll be here, 'cause we both know how it goes. Umulan ba dyan? Hindi. Ay! Panaginip ko lang pala yun. Sabi ko, umulan kanina, panaginip lang pala. Planado to. Alam ko naman na may natitira pang kahit. Any tips? Magpakabait ka. Huwag kang magsisigaw. Huwag kang tumawa ng malakas. Yun lang. Charot. Wala naman. Wala akong gagawin. Panaginip lang. Oo. Sabihin ko sana, oo, umulan kanina. Panaginip ko lang pala yun. Hi, Sly. Diyan, umulan, kuya. Ay, hindi. Ano ba yun? Light by wave to earth. Kaya mautos ka. Ayun. Tour mo kami sa Agno. Ako hindi ako nagpupunta dun eh. Pero gusto ko dun yung halo-halo. Kasi sobrang dami makakain dun. Kita. Ito na nga di ba? Hindi man moonlight gusto ko makita, gusto ko stars. Sure. I want to see my ang nakaka-good mood yung yung song. Yabong na. Oh! Sorry. Hindi ako nagda-drawing. Hindi pa, kuya. Hindi na nga ako nakakanood eh. Puro ako gala eh. Ngayong araw nga, pinapasunod ako sa sa Pampanga. Gusto yung palayasin ako na nanay ko. Ilang araw akong wala sa bahay. Tumis na miss ako nito, ni buwiwit ko. Glit. Mawa naman to, walang kasama. Tatambay, kakain-kain, magja-jam-jam. Thank you, 999. Mall ka. Guys, gawin nyo na akong 30k. Patasan ng pataas. Pag di nyo ginawa ng 35 din, magiging 30k. Huwag ka na. Kaarte mo. Wow! Yay! 26k, guys! Thank you, Kuya Robby. Wobby. Thank you. Thank you. Salamin tayo. Thank you. Yay. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, jump. I'm so happy, jump, clap. Alam niyo yun? Favorite ni L2 eh. Jump, clap, spin. Ayan, kay Miss Rachel. Alam niyo to? I'm so happy, jump. I'm so happy. Favorite ni L yan.
I'm so happy. Jump. I'm so happy.
Jump, clap,
I'm so happy today.
jump, clap, spin, stomp, stomp, hey. I'm so happy, jump. I'm so happy, and nothing's gonna bring me down today. What you sing and dance, I can hang out with my friends. I can tell no
Picture
matter.
of the sky.
I can spin around.
I can go upside down.
Even if it's hard, I wanna try.
I'm so happy, jump. I'm so happy, jump, clap. I'm so happy today. Jump, clap, spin, stomp, stomp, hey. I'm so happy, jump. I'm so happy, and nothing's gonna bring me down today. What if it rains? No, no, no. I can dance in the rain. Hindi ito alam. Wala pala kayo.
It's
Tama na.
okay.
Kayo magulo. Nothing's gonna bring me down today. I'm so happy, jump. I'm so happy, jump, clap. I'm so happy today. Jump, clap, spin, stomp, stomp, hey. Hopelessly. Bakit nung sumisikat ulit yung pyramid ni Charisse? Charisse love is like a pyramid. Nakamiss. Oh, panis! Stones, heavy like the love we shown. Solid as the ground we've known. And I just wanna carry on. We took it from the bottom up. And heaven doesn't have a song. Sorry as a rock we hold. Wishing every moment's wrong. Ganda tunog niyo. No, I just wanna let you know. Earthquakes can shake us. Cyclones can break us. Hurricanes way up. Thank you, Kuya Robbie. Pyramid, we built this on a solid rock. It feels just like it's heaven's touch. Together at the top, like a pyramid. And even when the wind is blowing, we'll never find. Just keep on going, forever we will stay. Sa UP or hindi? Depende kung nag-review ka. Eh, pero kung nag-cellphone ka, nag-cellphone ka, tapos umaasa kang nakapasa ka, eh, wag ganun. Hala, matagal 27K. Ano nangyari? Dahil dun. Kaya 26 yan, di ba? Thank you po. You know, we will never let it go. A story that was never told. Something like a mystery. Every step we took, we've grown. Look up as our time has gone. Ganon, very good. Mystery can take us. Cyclones can hold. Boy, you love. We put this on a solid rock. It feels just like it's heaven's touch. Together at the top, like a pyramid. And even when the wind is blowing, we'll never find. Just keep on going. Ay, so hirap nito. Like a pyramid. Man, girl, let me show you that I love you so much that we're gonna get through. Even in the storms, I will never go. I might be the one to keep you safe. Before was a love, nothing more than enough. We will never put another when it's out of the sun. Oh, Mother Nature, all the sad stuff. What's up the happy ever after? Keep it going. You got the solid rock. Like a pyramid. And if the wind don't let me tell this one in. Keep it going. Like a pyramid. Like a pyramid. Wherever we will stay, like a pyramid, like a pyramid, yeah, like a pyramid, like a pyramid. Pyramid. Show never gonna love you, huh? Oh, Jake Cyrus na siya. So, dapat kahit kumakanta yung voice niyang Charisse, Jake Cyrus na siya. Malapit na pala ako mag-end, guys. Meron na tayong 40. Ay, saan binibilang ko? Tama, 20 minutes. That I wasn't fast enough, but I won't take my time trying to figure out why you play games. Hi, Claire. And I can't believe you're hurting me. I met your girl, what a difference. What you saying her, you ain't seeing me, but I guess it was all just make believe. Oh, love, never knew what I was missing, but I knew once we start kissing, I found love. Hindi na ako nag-live dun, so baka wala na. Ganun. Guys, matatapos na, ganyan 30K. Scammer. You, now you got what you got, gonna do. So empty, my soul can't go. Boss and Me. Ano siya, para siyang What's Wrong with Kineme? Ano yung secretary? Ano? Please tell me, baby, why you go so far away? Why you go never knew what I was missing, but I knew once we start kissing, I found. Ay, ganun. Ganun. Ano man yun? Yung Ayang Hero nga ni Crunch, di ko pa rin pinapanood hanggang ngayon. Kada magla-live ako, hindi pwedeng hindi niya sabihin yan. Panoorin mo na yung Ayang Hero. Hi, Ali. Guys, ganyan ng 30K para walang butal. Ni-scam ko kayo sa sa marespetong paraan. Sige na. Gawin nyo ng 30K. Thank you, Kuya Robby. Tumukay na lang. Tama ba? Tumukay na lang. Never knew what I was missing, but I knew things like this. Ayoko nga, parang sila for the roses. Smells so good. My thousand. Anong huwag? Anong huwag, kuya? Nag-iwag ako. Wag mag-AI live. Joke lang naman, hindi ko magagawin yun. Nakita ka ng pagkain. Ayoko din naman nun. Pero ang daming gumawa nun na MNL. Kumain na ba ako? Hindi pa. Diet din naman ako eh. Grabe kaya kain ko sa Baguio. Mayat maya. Thank you, Sir Robin. Ba't yun napasok? 28.31. Thank you, guys. Tapos na yan, ha? Thank you. Oh, 28.91. Oh. Habol. Hindi mo napansin, nahuhulog ka na pala sa iba. Ang galing. Ayoko, mahina ako sa ganyan. Las na. Nakapalas na lasa. Thank you. Naban ako. Ala ko, natanggalan na naman ako. Thank you, 29.9. Wala na. Mabetsin to, babe. Masama to sa'yo. Sino magpapa 30k niyan, guys? At least may cellphone ka pa. Wow, Lee! Thank you! Grabe naman yon. Thank you, Lee. Thank you po. Thank you, kuya. Hi, MC. Meron na lang tayong 12 minutes. Hi po. I'm okay. Bigyan ko nito. Gaya ka. Do you wanna talk? Ooh. Totoo na talaga yung body mo. Uwe. Lapit na ako mag-end, guys. Spinning away for you to pull me in. Alam niyo yung kanta na to? Ang saya-saya sa pandinig ko. Tapos nung may nagpanood sa akin ng MV nito, iyak ako nang iyak. Alam niyo ba to? Yung Satellite ni Harry Styles. Visit. Nakakalungkot. Ay, tumako. Satellite. Anong wag? Spinning away for you. Napaiyak ako. Kasi ko eh. Na-touch na ako agad dun sa may robot. Ow! 10 minutes, guys. Bawal. Ano yun? Lock ba? Wall-E? Ano ba yung pinakamagulong movie sa akin sa Netflix? Ay, Crunch, ano? Ano yan? Ano yun, Crunch? Pumunta ka pa. Pa-end na ako, te. Anong problema sa'yo? Ang gagaling nila, oh. Sige, Brian Crunch. Okay lang. Saan galing? Saan ka galing? Ba't ka nag-mall? Alam mo may live ako. Ikaw, Brian, saan ka galing? Brian, saan ka galing? Sabi ko. Yung Saturday, wala mo sinabi. Baka para ka talaga sa dentista. Baka sign na yan. Huh? See you sa Saturday. Kailan ko sinabi? Nambisi akong mata dito eh. Ah, baka, sabi ko. Pero wala nga akong signal dun eh. Kailangan nasa labas pa ako ng ano, para makapag-live. Ba? Ako pa ah. Darap na ito. Ako na ito. Buti lang madami. Ito na lang dinner ko. Galing nyo. Mga gaslighter kayo, no? Singaling. Alam ko kanina ako nagtatampo eh. Tapos bumalik sa akin. Huhusay nyo. Meron na lang tayo 6 minutes, guys. Stop. Sugat? Ato? Peklat naman yan eh. Alin ba? Ato? O ito? Five minutes. Bawal sa ito, be. Baka pati sa kabila, crunch, wala ka. Hindi, wag na. Salamat na lang. Wala ang problema eh. Ganito na lang. Hindi, wag na. Baka busy ka. Busy kang bumili ng ano eh. Ng mall. Okay lang. Ano ba naman yung... Hindi, mo na. Sayang ng effort. Magsalita pa. At pa kasi mag-aaral. Daw lang. Nasanay naman na ako. Unti-unti, pero huwag niyo naman sana akong biglayin. Hindi, mo na. Okay lang. Sige na guys, 2 minutes na lang pala. Mag-end na ako. Ang arte. Baba ko na. Baba ko na, call. Parang feeling ko magkamika-call ako. Wait lang. Okay na. Baba ko na. Bye na. Sige na, bye na. Tutulog na lang ako kaysa ginaganyan mo ako. Thank you, Kuya Robby. Pati si Kuya Robby na damay. Thank you po. Baba ko na lang to. Kausapin mo na lang ako pag okay ka na. Thank you, Kuya Robby. Naging moody tuloy ako pag may nag-gift eh. Bye guys. Thank you. Screenshot lang ako. Nakakahiya kasi. Thank you guys. Thank you. Ingat kayo lagi. Good night, Ate Ria. Good night sa inyong lahat. Bye guys. Kain muna ako. Amping. Bye guys. Baka hindi na ako makalipat sa TikTok. Bye guys. Good night po.